What's something people think makes them sound smart that actually makes them sound dumb? I had a friend who was always trying to sound smart, but it just made him look stupid. He would constantly use big words, but he would use them in the wrong context. For example, he once said, "I am very ambidextrous about this situation," when he meant to say ambivalent. Another time, he said, "I am going to be very punctual about this," when he meant to say punctilious. He also had a habit of using Latin phrases, but he would use them incorrectly. For example, he once said, "I am going to give you a quid pro quo," when he meant to say, "I am going to give you a favor." Another time, he said, "I am going to give you a mea culpa," when he meant to say, "I am going to apologize." He also had a habit of using quotes from famous people, but he would misquote them. For example, he once said, as Albert Einstein once said, "The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results." Another time, he said, as Winston Churchill once said, "The only thing we have to fear is fear itself." I tried to gently correct him, but he would just get defensive and say that I was wrong. Eventually, I just stopped hanging out with him because it was too painful to listen to him talk.